Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1-2 Step. In this video I'm going to show you the simple process of logging in to your Grindr account. So if this video sounds helpful to you and if you want to learn how you can log in, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now to log into your account, you'll need to download the application of Grindr. You can find this application both on the Play Store and the App Store. So just download this application, and once downloaded, open it up. Once you open up the app, you're gonna see this login page. Now there are a few ways that you can log in. You can either type in your email address, or you can also type in your phone number to log in. So if you used your email address while signing up for Grindr, you can type it in the first box, and then in the second box type in the password. Similarly, if you used your phone, tap on the phone option on the top right, type in your phone number and then type in the password. Other than the email address and the phone number, you can also log into your account using your Facebook or your Google account. So just tap on these options and select your Google or Facebook account, and you will be immediately logged in, and you don't need to even type in the password by tapping on these options. If you want to log in using your email or phone number, you can type in both of these information and then tap on login, and you'll be immediately logged in to your Grindr account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.